To remove and install the ignition switch on your 650 or 850 Pro RMK Matrix or Matrix Slash, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface, and remove the key. Next, remove the fuel cap, using care to ensure no dirt or debris enters the fuel tank. Then, remove the plastic fuel filler neck nut. Continue by reinstalling the fuel cap to prevent debris from falling into the fuel tank. Next, carefully remove and retain the ignition switch nut. Then, press in on the front of both sides of the switch panel, and tilt the panel back to remove the tabs from the console. Next, pull the switch forward through the hole in the switch panel, and pivot out to gain access to the connector. Then, push in on the connector tab and pull back to disconnect from the ignition switch. A flathead screwdriver can be used to aid in releasing the connector tab. Next, connect the connector to the ignition switch, and ensure it is fully seated. Then, align the notch above the switch with the notch in the switch panel. Continue by reinstalling the ignition switch through the switch panel and securing with the retained nut. Then, torque the nut to specification while holding the ignition switch. Continue by pressing in on the front on both sides of the switch panel and reinserting the tabs into the console. Next, remove the fuel cap, ensuring no dirt or debris enters the fuel tank. Then, reinstall the plastic fuel filler nut and tighten until fully seated. Continue by reinstalling the fuel cap. Finally, start the vehicle to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.